That's not 10 years of driving history showing that they're responsible in the community. That's just them being locked up.
People fighting drunk driving say it's time to close a legal loophole that can allow some of the most dangerous drunk driver offenders to wipe the slate clean and get back on the road. Welcome back to Nashville's News 2 at 4. In Tennessee, DUI convictions older than 10 years cannot be used against a DUI offender when it comes to sentencing in most cases.
Now that means someone in prison or otherwise kept off the road for 10 years would be considered a first-time offender. It happened in one of the most tragic cases Davidson County has seen, and now MADD and the victim's family want to change the law. News 2's Joseph Pleasant explains.
This is video of the wreck that took the lives of Carrie Scheib, her boyfriend Connor Blake Tidwell, and his mother Pamela Tidwell in 1993. The driver of the other car was drunk. Danny Ross Jr. was later convicted of 3 counts of vehicular homicide. He served 12 years in prison. When he got out of prison, he once again was convicted of drunk driving in 2007, 2008, 2010, and most recently in 2012. But because he was in prison for 12 years, the DUI he had in 2007 counted as his first offense. In Tennessee, DUIs older than 10 years are not considered against a person during sentencing.
It's one thing for someone to have a clean 10-year history out on the road showing that they're driving safely. It's quite different if they've been locked up for those 10 years.
MADD is advocating for a change in Tennessee law to get rid of the 10-year look-back period.
They're getting into trouble immediately, yet when they go to court, since they were in prison for those 10 years, that history of killing 3 people isn't even considered.
But getting the law changed may be a challenge. The General Assembly is out of session right now, but I did speak to a lawmaker who says there is a lot of support for toughening DUI laws. But he says a common roadblock is the cost, because tougher laws mean more money to enforce them and more money to incarcerate those who break the law.
It's sad we're putting a price on what a life is worth.
Ross is currently serving a 6-year sentence in prison for his 6th DUI conviction, although on his record it shows it's his 4th. At the Capitol, Joseph Pleasant, Nashville's News 2.
News 2 spoke to the Scheib family today. Carrie Scheib's father told News 2 he plans to lobby lawmakers to end the 10-year look-back period for DUI offenders.